Radiator Springs is a rocking little place to stay. Yeah, well, since the girl died, permanentes sentados con las manos brazos, pies y piernas adentro de sus carritos y échenle un ojo a sus pequeños. Sheriff asked me to give you this important safety message. It was something important about staying seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside them trailers. And then it was about watching them kids. And then he had another thing. It was something about, something. All right then, that ought to do it. Hola a todos. Por favor. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro de sus carritos y échenle un ojo a sus pequeños. You know what else is real important? Friendship. And a friend should always, a friend should never, no, sometimes, but not all the times, but more than ever. No, that ain't right. Well, you get my meaning. Friendship. That's important. Away we go. Go, tractor, with me, whirl, make you trailer, twist and twirl, circle to the left, get trickle to the right, go, jamboree. Oh, them tractors sure hit the mind you singing, here they come. Go, jamboree. Twist and whirling, good old fashioned fun on turning. This is tractor fire. Some jamboree. Now grab all your stuff and head on out. But come back anytime. My junkyard's always open. Shoot.
They're all inside the store now. Yes,